Just back.
Hey, boy, it's not that serious for no fucking ice cream
She's trying to
truck.
make a YouTube video. That's not that people.
Hey! Let's go. Hey, ice cream truck. The ice cream truck came back in springtime. Guys, that's the size of the ice cream truck. That's the speaker right there.
Wait, Mar, nobody would know.
I used to watch YouTube about that song. Alright. Strawberry shortcake.
What you want, Mar?
I want a strawberry shortcake.
Okay.
That's SpongeBob ice cream.
Let's
And
see.
that's an ice cream sandwich. The ice cream truck came back, and they were in masks too. The new ice cream truck came with the mask, and they have a mask on. Nice see ice cream. He wants a bar pop. Wait, we used to watch the sports about the SpongeBob ice
How much
cream.
goes to Mar?
There's some money. Speaker. Ford ice cream truck. Your speaker really loud. Wait, that's the exact same song on the ice cream truck. That was on YouTube. That was
I want a
YouTube.
shower.
He has Savage Shower one.
Candy. Your Chastity. What Chastity? I got
Granny, if you're seeing this, the ice cream truck came. Let's see.
What you want, Mar?
Charlie, I want a strawberry shortcake. I want a strawberry shortcake. Here's some money. I want a strawberry shortcake. Or if they don't have it, then I'll just get an ice cream sandwich. Do y'all have it? I knew I heard an ice cream truck. That's why I had to flag it down. I knew the ice cream truck was gonna come. Because it was coming from that way. I knew y'all was coming from there. That's why I had to flag it down. I almost went down there to walk all the way down there to catch y'all. Y'all see me flagging y'all down. Well, at least y'all stopped. Ice cream truck. Turkey in the straw.
Can I get a nutty buddy?
Yeah, she wants a nutty buddy. Blue raccoon. It still said blue raccoon on it. My sister. What do you think about this ice cream truck? Chastity, you see the ice cream truck? Now I got a strawberry shortcake. Oh! I gotta check the mail. No mail in there. Black speaker. Actually, if you're seeing this, ice cream truck. Yeah. You got some? There's a freezer right there. Watch out for the, watch out. Virus. I knew the ice cream truck was gonna come. How much $1? To a quarter, 1 cent. What? 50 cents?
Well, 1/4.
1/4. All right. Mom, you got some 50 cents?
Yeah, here.
Ice cream truck. 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 Bye. Hope you guys come back soon. Bye. cream truck. Bye. I knew the ice cream truck was gonna come. I had to flag it down, guys. Yeah, that's the part of the ice cream truck. Yeah. That was the ice cream truck. And we're happy. So, guys, say thank you for me because I stopped the ice cream truck. Yeah. Make sure you subscribe of how I stopped the ice cream truck. But, yeah, we got it. So, bye-bye.